Hey Techies, welcome or welcome back to kaetalkstech. I'm Kay, so let's talk tech. So I'm going to try it. I only got 10% left on my phone, but I'm going to try it because this is going to be a quick one, but it's going to be very informative. So I got this email that's a newsletter from LinkedIn, their learning blog, and they're talking about their most popular AI courses of 2025. Now, this is extremely important because we know it's really competitive out here in these technological streets, and we are definitely trying to help you get employed. And you have to be as competitive as possible, and AI is the hot thing. So if you can get your fingers, your little hands on some free AI training. Yes, I said free AI training. You need to take advantage of it. Now, here's the thing. LinkedIn Learning is generally not free. No, they charge for that. But they have some AI courses that are free through July 31st of this year. So that gives you 2 months, 2.5 months, approximately 10 weeks to take advantage of it. So here are the courses that they talk about. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, Introduction to Prompt Engineering for Generative AI, Generative AI for Business Leaders, Ethics in the Age of Generative AI, Artificial Intelligence Foundations, Machine Learning with Kesha Williams. Machine learning is really important if you have any technical skills. Prompt engineering, how to talk to the AIs. That's very important for everybody. Artificial Intelligence Foundation, thinking machines, generative AI versus traditional AI, responsible AI, principles and practical applications, AI trends. And then they have a few additional free AI learning content that they mention. AI skill pathways, with over 150 AI professional certificates, certification prep, and learning paths by role and level of the LinkedIn AI upskilling framework. Access 27 unlocked AI skill pathways through July 31st, 2025. Okay, so this is your opportunity, right? Because a lot of people feel in a monetary pinch. You don't want to pay for things. You can't pay for things. This is AI courses for free, okay? And I'm going to continue to talk about free training in upcoming videos because there's quite a bit that you can take advantage of. You know, even if you don't get the certification, still take the class because that class can help you get a job, and you can take the certification later once you're working if you want to. Okay, that's it. That's all I have for you today. Share this video, like this video, follow the channel, follow me on TikTok and YouTube, and then come on back when we will continue to talk tech. That's all I have for you. Bye.